Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let's go over this market. Market looking real good today. They come up, even though look, I guess the SPY ran up during pre-market. Freaking hasn't been up this high in a minute, bro. Yeah, this is like the first of the year. It was up at 478. Today we're up at 461. I'm trying to give an update on plays real quick, man. Get the 5 minute. Yeah, my portfolio's up. I was up even more. Good, up 5% today. We've been on a bull run lately here. I grabbed some HYMC. This is bullish because AMC bought like a 22% stake in the company. Ran it up. It's like a mining company. They mine like precious metals, gold and silver. So AMC bought like, I don't know how many millions of dollars worth, but it was like 22% of the company. And when it was at 106, since then it's ran up. Yeah, it hit like almost $3 and $3.40 from 106. So I mean, they almost tripled their money since then. Not only that, but you know, that made AMC run up as well. Let's look at AMC. Yeah, AMC's been on a nice little bull run too. Look at this. Went all the way down to 12. It hit like this support. So you got some nice support here at 12 on AMC here. But since then, just been grinding up. And then I guess this might have been when they announced that they're investing in that company or whatever. Since then, look, from 12 to 34, that would have been a nice little swing trade. But again, like, you know what I'm saying? I made my money in AMC. You know what I'm saying? A decent amount. So like, you know, from when I was day trading, I found that, you know, being too greedy will cause you to give money back. So, you know what I'm saying? That's basically why I stayed away from AMC. But shit, if it keeps up like this, I might jump back in. But not at these prices. You know what I'm saying? If it were to come back down to like a support, I'd probably get in for another swing. But yeah, my whole portfolio's up. Look, I grabbed the position on B big, like down like around here, because you know, it has high short interest. I think it might short squeeze soon. So I grabbed some B big. I'm up on that. All right. But yeah, the SPY is looking pretty decent. Looks like it's been fighting. It's fighting to stay above the long-term directional SMA line. It's a 120 day. But, you know, it did most of its running up, you know, yesterday and then after hours in pre-market. So as long as it doesn't give back, I mean, it's still front side right now. So I'd say as long as it don't give back all the way here, you know, still front side. Lucid. Yeah, I don't have a position in Lucid anymore. I sold out of my position, but made some bread on that. Mullen's one that's been ringing. The Mullen name's been ringing. Don't have a position on that. As far as crypto, I do have a position in Cardano, but like I'm down on it because I bought it when it was like around 250, and then since then it's trended down. But I did average down some, like around here. But that's a long-term play. Doge, I had some Doge. I'm down on that. I don't know when Doge is gonna do anything. Mana, got some Mana. I'm up on that. CRO, I had the most CRO out of anything. Got a few thousand in CRO coin. Up on that. I got some Sheeb just to have it, just in case. Ethereum, just like I was saying, look, where did I draw that support at? I don't know why my lines aren't here no more, but look, what was I saying? Swing traded from like 25, right? So if you would have grabbed one Ethereum at 2,500, you could have rolled it up to 3,400. You feel me? And when was this? So about a week ago, 2 weeks ago? I mean, shit, quick little 1,000. You feel me? That ain't bad for a week, 2 weeks. I mean, shit, some people don't even make $1,000 in 2 weeks at work. Bitcoin, I was saying there's a swing trade potential there from 34 up to 40, 45. Come back down to support, 38. Look, 38, 42, 4 or 5 grand, come back down, support. Could have bought in again, swing it up to 42, or even held it to look 48 now. Shit, Bitcoin, crypto running up right now, actually. Yeah, crypto's looking pretty good. I mean, looks like it's cooling off a little bit. I mean, in the last week or so, I mean, my portfolio, you know what I'm saying, up decent. Like, I'm like up 1,000 in the last week. Nano Dimensions, I grabbed a position. Let me see where my Nano Dimensions is at. I got Nano Dimensions in one of my retirement accounts. Okay, so yeah, I'm up on Nano Dimensions. It's like a long-term play though. I've been in Nano Dimensions for probably like a month now. I got in when everything was low, bro. Like down here, whenever the market was like all the way down at its lowest, is when I averaged down a lot of these stocks. Look, AMD's a winner. Don't have a position in AMD no more. Palantir, winner. Average down on Palantir big time. Let's see. Yeah, looking good. Looking good on Palantir, boy. My average cost is $12, but that's not even my real average because I got 40 shares in one account. I got another 20 in another 20 in another, IRAs and such. So my average is even lower. Like for instance, in my IRA, my Roth, my average is 1145, and then another account, my average is 1214. So really, my average is like lower than 12. It's like around 11, something like that. Up on Palantir, bought down here at support. Don't have a position in Robinhood. Woof. Remember what I was saying about Robinhood? Kind of wish I would have had a position. Robinhood's looking bullish. We have earnings or something? Like, what's going on? The market's just bullish right now, boy. There are a lot of people making money up on EVgo, up on SoFi. I'm up on ChargePoint, up on Hut, up on Ford, up on Mara, Neo. I'm down on. Yeah, because my average on Neo is 39. So I'm down on Neo, but not by a lot because I sold out of most of that position when I seen it starting to tank, but I just kept a couple just in case. Neo's a loser in my portfolio, but not by a lot. I don't have a lot of shares of Neo left. Up on Riot, still down on Skills, but I averaged down. I got like 120, 130 shares of Skills. My average is $4 in the one account. And then I have an average of 285 in a different account, and then an average of 289. So really, my average is a little less than $4. But even Skills is grinding up. Let's look at the daily on Skills. Look, Skills is way up here, 46. All right. My original position that I got in was here. I started averaging in. And then when it dipped down here, I averaged down big time. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie, my portfolio hasn't been looking this good in a while. I'm up big time. And again, these plays are still down. They're still down. You know what I mean? Everything's still down. I just averaged down, bro. A diamond handed in and average down. We keep up at this rate. I'm about to start doing some covered calls. I'm doing some covered calls on Skills, Palantir, Nile is another one. I got 100 shares in. SoFi is another one. You feel me? Just giving a little market update here, man. This was a decent play right here, bro. Grab some right here. Well, see, this is the thing. It did most of its running up there in pre-market after hours. I guess on Webull, you could trade pre-market. You could start trading at 4 a.m., I think. So you'd have been able to get out somewhere around here. It's been decent. Waiting on this short squeeze. Look at the SPY. SPY look like it's giving some back. Can't allow it to go backside, though. Right here. This looks like we got some support right here, too. Bounced off that area a couple times. You just gotta hope that it don't break down. If it does break down, this is the next support right here. Looking decent right now, boy. Just some plays to have on your radar. Nile, HYMC, Be Big, Lucid, Mullen. Obviously your cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, CRO coin, Cardano. You feel me? Nano Dimensions, AMD, Palantir, Robinhood, Upstart, EVgo. Look, all this shit green. I got positions on all these except for Baba. I was scared of Baba, but I was watching it. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna ever come back down there though. Position in CEI, I'm up on that. SoFi up on that. ChargePoint. Yeah. Feel me? Gotta have your money working for you.